The hub for arts and music, a breeding ground for sporting talent, and the home of heroic figures in essays and battled political history. These are just some of the roles the township of New Brighton has played over the past 120 years.
It's a township that was divided into various places. There was Magnami, there was Red Location, there was Elalini, and all these other places of New Brighton. We are intending to touch various aspects of the community's life of New Brighton. We are intending to touch education, business, security, and so on. The reason is because this place was originally founded to be a labor village of the community of New Brighton. Now, many people of New Brighton are coming from various places. Some are coming from Old Costin, some are coming from Patterson, some are coming from all the other neighboring parts and came to reside and stay in New Brighton to provide cheap labor for the industrial areas in the neighborhood of New Brighton. In actual fact, in the old days, New Brighton was just not New Brighton, it was a New Brighton village, which is the word village in townships of South Africa is very, very important. We are now intending then to reverse that situation, because as we know now with the latest stats, that New Brighton has actually degenerated in all aspects of life. You know, there is increased unemployment, there is increased crime in New Brighton, vandalism, streets are dirty. The place in which we are now is a memorial site of the leaders of the liberation struggle, who were the first group of people to be hanged by the apartheid regime. The grave sites that you see there are those graves with the remains of those people that were buried here.
Happy 120 years, New Brighton!